everyone. So we are going to continue our discussion about the commission. And now we are going to focus on commission on installment basis. So what do you mean by installment basis? It is the commission that is divided into a certain number of payments depending on the number of periods that has been agreed upon. Okay? So it is applicable when the prices of the products or services being sold are relatively high and the client has an option to pay on installment basis. So usually class, mga real properties, yung mga appliances, this is very common sa mga appliances. For example, yung mga gadgets like phone, tablet, and so on and so forth. So these are the installment basis. Okay, so let's have an example. So we have Long has a house and lot worth of 6 million. His sales agent will receive a 10% commission if the sales agent is able to sell the property. So the sales agent again will receive 10% commission, okay, once that the property is being sold. Okay, and a client offered to keep up Long a 50% down payment and to pay the remaining amount on monthly installment basis. Okay, so the client will pay 50%, okay, 50% down payment, and the remaining amount will be paid on a monthly installment basis for 1 year. Okay, so Long accepted the offer. Okay, and his sales agent agreed to receive his commission based on such arrangement as well. Okay, so now we are going to determine how much the sales agent would receive as a commission at the point of a sale and on each succeeding month. So we are going to identify, or we are going to get or determine the commission on point of sales, which is yung 50% down payment, and also we are going to get the commission in each succeeding month. Okay, so what we are going to do, so let's first get the commission of the lot worth, which is the 6 million. So we all know that commission is rate times the sales amount, where it is denoted by S. Our rate is 10%, which is equal to 0.1 times the sales amount, which is 6 million. Okay, let's get the product. So we have 600,000. Okay, so this is the total commission. Okay? So, sabi dyan, 50% down payment. So, ibig sabihin half-half. So, what we are going to do is we are going to divide the 600,000 into 2. Okay? Then, the quotient is 300,000. Bakit natin dinivide? Para malaman natin kung magkano yung commission niya with 50% down payment. Kaya natin siya divide. Kasi diba 50 and 50 is equal to 100. Okay, so half. So half nung 10% commission. Okay? So ibig sabihin, at the point of sale, so 300,000 is the commission. So let me write this. Commission at the point of sale. Okay? So now we are going to determine, so this is the number 1. So we are going to determine on each succeeding month. So what is the commission on each succeeding month? Okay, so we all know na may remaining 3 million. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang nabayaran niya pa lang sa 50% na dinaw niya is yung 3 million, right? Kasi diba, 6 million, okay, so, 50% lang yung binayaran niya. Ibig sabihin, kalahati. So, yung kalahati na yun ay 3 million. Okay? So, yung another 50% is also 3 million. So, ito yung down payment. Ito yung remaining balance. Okay? So, may remaining balance siyang 3 million. Eh, ang sabi niya, monthly installment basis for 1 year. So, 1 year, diba? 1 year, how many months? We have 12 months. So, we are going to divide this into 12. And we get 25,000. Okay? So, monthly, magbabayad yung kliyente ng 250,000 rather kay Long. Okay? So now, let's get the 10% commission ng sales agent ni Amlong. So we have to multiply this to 0.1 and we are going to have a 25,000 pesos. This is the commission of the client, of the sales agent. Okay, let me rewrite this. Commission of the sales agent per month. Okay. So again, at point of sales, the sales agent will receive 300,000. And each month, for 1 year, the sales agent will receive 25,000 pesos. So if you are going to get the sum of 25,000 in each month, okay, so let's have 12,000 times 12. Why 12? Kasi nga 1 year to pay. It is equal to 300,000. Okay? So it is equal to 300,000, where if you are going to add 300,000 plus 300,000, you will get 600,000, which is the total commission on the property or on the house and lot worth of 6 million. Nakukuha po. Okay? So next, we have commission and bonus. What do you mean by that? Okay, it is when a salesperson is given a bonus if she exceed her sales quota. So pag sinabi natin commission and bonus, may word tayong sales quota. Okay? Magkakakota lang siya or magkakaroon lang siya ng bonus if she exceed doon sa kanyang quota. Let's have an example. So, we have Leonora Bautista receive a basic salary of 13,750 a month. Okay, she also received a bonus of 5% of the amount by which she goes beyond her quota of 75,000. So, ang quota niya, 75,000. Okay, for the amount of February. Her sales amounted to 120,000. So, noong February, nag-sales siya, ang sales amount niya is 120,000. So, what is asked in the problem? So, what were her total earnings? Okay, so we have to find the total earnings. Okay, so first, what we are going to do? So, nakalagpas si Leonora Bautista sa kanyang quota. Okay, so what we are going to do is we have to multiply the 28,000 to 75,000 para malaman natin yung kanyang exceed. Okay? So the answer is 53,000. Okay? Ito yung kanyang exceed. Okay, nag-exceed siya ng 53,000 pesos. So, okay. So, ngayon, kukunin natin yung 5% ng 53,000. Kasi sabi dyan, makaka-receive daw siya ng bonus na 5% kapag nag-exceed siya dun sa kanyang quota. Okay po? So, we are going to get the 5% on the 53,000. Ayun yung kanyang commission bonus. Okay? So, 5% is equal to 0.05. Okay, so we have okay, let me rewrite again. So we have 2,650 pesos. So this is her commission. Okay, the question is total earnings or gross pay. So para malaman natin yun, we have to add the basic salary para malaman natin yung total earning niya or also known as gross pay. Para malaman natin yun is we are going to add the basic salary and the commission. Commission, bonus. Okay? So we have the basic salary is 13,750 plus the commission bonus which is 2,650. So the total of 16,000 rather. 16,400. So this is Leonora Bautista total earning, 6,400. Okay po, next. Commission with override. Okay, what do you mean by that again? So when we say commission with override, it is when a salesperson earn a commission on his/her own sales, and also earns a commission from the sales of his/her representative. Okay? So usually class, yung mga ganito class is, example na to class is yung mga networking, yung mga reseller. Yan. Ito yung mga common example ng commission with override. Okay? Let's have an example. So a sales manager has 30 sales representatives. So marami rin, no? She received a commission of 22% from her own sales, and she also receiving 6% override doon sa kanyang 30 sales representative. So nagkakaroon siya ng commission doon. So during the month of July, she made sales amounting to 80,000. So ito ang kanyang sariling sales, so personal sale niya yan. And her representative made 120,000. Okay? Bigger. So ibig sabihin, malaki ang kanyang kikitain, no? So we are asked to find what her total earnings. Okay? So what we are going to do first, let's label this kasi dalawang commission yung kukunin natin eh. Let's label the commission 1, which is yung kanyang total sales and magkano yung marireceive niyang commission doon. So, marireceive niyang commission is 22%, which is equal to 2.22 times sa kanyang total sales amounting to 80,000. Okay? Let's get the product. So, we have 17,600 pesos. So, ito yung commission niya sa kanyang sale pa lang, ha? Ang laki class, no? So, we have sales number 2. Ito yung commission niya sa representatives niya. Ito yung override na tinatawag. So, our rate is 6%, which is equal to 0.06. At ang kinita ng kanyang representative is 120,000. So, let's get the product. We have 7,200 pesos. Okay? Now, for us to get the total earning o yung kanyang gross pay, we are going to add the commission 1 and the commission 2. Our commission 1 is 17,600. Our commission 2 is 7,200. Okay? Then if we add them together, we have 24,800. This is her total earnings. Okay? So, ang laki ng kanyang kinita. Okay, next. Let's have another example. So, Teresita Kaduaan received 6% commission on her sales. Okay, 6% commission on her sale, and she supervised 12 sales representative and receives 2.5 override on all their sales. The representative made sales of 8,300 and she made sales of 9,400. So what were her earnings? Okay, so same lang din to ng problem number 1 under the commission with override. Okay, so let's have commission 1. So, doon muna tayo sa sarili niya kay Teresita. So, she has 0.06, which is equivalent to 6% commission. And ang kanyang total sales amount is 9,400. Okay. What is the product? So, we have 500. Okay. 564 pesos. Okay. So, while dun sa kanyang commission 2, yung kanyang mga sales representative, ang kanyang rate is 2.5, which is equal to 0.06 0.05 in decimal form. At ang kanilang earning ng kanyang representative is 48,300. Then the product is 12,000. Let me write the peso sign. 12,075 pesos. So again, for us to know her earnings or total earnings, let's add them together, all the commission. Commission 1 plus commission 2. So 564 pesos plus 12,075 pesos. Okay, so this is 0.5. Okay, correction. So we have 1,207.5. Okay. Okay, let me check it again. 48,300 times 0.025. Okay. 1,207.5. Then let's get the total earning. 564 plus 1,207.5. The answer is 1,701.5. So this is her total earning. Okay. So next, let's proceed to draw against commission. So what is this? It is when a salesperson is being paid in advance. Sales and later deduct from the commission earned. Pag sinabi nating draw against commission, nauuna na siyang bayaran. Okay po? Let's have example number 1. Renditor is a salesperson for Sirug Corporation. The company pays 7.5 commission on sales and gives Renditor a 8,000 per month draw against commission. So if he receives his draw at the beginning of the month and then sells 960,000 during the month, how much commission is owed to Renditor? Okay? So for the first month, nabayaran na siya ng 8,000. Right? So what we are going to do is to get the 7.5% commission doon sa kanyang kinita, which is yung 960,000. Okay? So we have 7.5% is equal to 0.07 times the sales amount, which is 960,000. Okay? Which is equal to 72,000. Okay? Let me write the peso sign again. 72,000. So, ito yung kanyang total commission. Okay? Kaya lang dyan, nabigyan na daw siya ng 8,000. And gives Renditor 8,000 per month draw against the commission. Ha? Take note of that. If he receive his draw at the beginning, so ibig sabihin yung 8,000 na ibigay na sa kanya nung una pa lang ng buwan, and then he sell on that same month ng 960,000. So, kinuha natin yung 7.5% ang 960,000, then we are going to minus the 8,000. Okay, kasi nga nakuha na niya eh. Okay, na-advance na sa kanya class. So, we have 64,000 pesos. Ito yung kanyang commission na makukuha. Okay? So, this is the commission owed to Renditor. Kasi nai-advance na sa kanya yung 8,000. Okay po? Next. Okay. Elena sells magazine for MM Publishing House. She is on 4.6% straight commission with a 10,300 drawing account. If she paid the draw, take note if she paid the draw at the beginning of the month and then sell 300,000 during the month, how much commission she owed to Elena? First, let's get the 4.6% straight commission doon sa 300,000. Okay? So, 4.6% is equal to 0.046. So, multiply it to 300,000. So, we have 13,800 800 pesos. Ito yung kanyang total commission. Okay? Ang tinatanong dyan, how much commission he owed to Elena. Meron na siyang 13,000 drawing account na if she paid the draw at the beginning. So, what we're going to do is we are going to subtract. Okay? So, we have 3,500. Okay? So, ito na lang yung owned. Yan. Wait lang. Label na natin class. 3,500 commission owned to Elena. Okay? So, 3,500. Okay po. Kasi nga, naibigay na sa kanya yung 10,300 nung una pa lang ng buwan. Okay po. So, if you have any question, you can message me, class. So, this is all about the commission. So, thank you very much for your listening.